Before we get into the video, check the description and join our daily giveaways. Torrential slide, Avax could hit $42,278 in 2022. Avalanche's cost expectation for the most negative situation will esteem Avax at $23,168 in 2022. Avalanche's past all-time high was on 21 November 2021, where Avax was estimated at $144.96. Avalanche's cost simultaneously last week was $0. It has moved by 21,866% in the previous week and is at present at $28.96. In fact, in the beyond 24 hours, Avax has siphoned by 434%. There is a slight negative feeling in the crypto market. The drawn-out feeling, in any case, stays bullish, and Avax could hit $119,242 in 2023. The absolute flowing stockpile of Avalanche as of compassing this video was $284,477 $134,534, and the market cap of Avax stays at $8,250 $202,844. Significant disclaimer. For coins with practically zero pieces of information and inexistent verifiable information, the model as a matter of course will show a positive cost expectation. It is basically impossible for our AI bot to interpret white paper, tokenomics and group trustworthiness. The coin's value that you are going to see beneath can fall radically contingent upon many variables, so if it's not too much trouble, contribute astutely in the wake of really looking at the group and tasks white paper. This ongoing value expectation is finished by a machine doing the math, and the model is still in the early beta stages. It should stringently not be taken as a speculation guidance. Albeit the best designers are right now tweaking and refreshing the calculation, no human has checked the cost anticipated beneath, so if it's not too much trouble, utilize your tact and pursue a choice shrewdly. Our Avalanche cost expectation model considers a ton of data of interest and factors to give the estimated worth of Avax before long to come. No calculation, be that as it may, can be 100% exact, yet we endeavor to present to you the most dependable cost forecast by utilizing a high-level AI/ML information crunching model. The information focuses remember Avalanches for chain development of coins for August 2022 and past authentic information. Torrential slides all-out exchanging volume on trades for August 2022 and past authentic information. Torrential slide social opinion for August 2022 and past authentic information. Torrential slides impending guide and developer movement for August 2022 and past authentic information. Torrential slides large whale developments and their hodling designs for August 2022 and past authentic information. Torrential slides cost developments in view of different exchanging markers like Bollinger Bands, RSI, moving averages, both S&E, MACD, and something else for August 2022 and past authentic information. Torrential slide price prediction. Torrential slide has had a momentous 2021. To improve on the most recent Avax cost forecast, we have split the expectation by transient Avalanche cost expectation and long-haul Avalanche cost forecast. As of compassing this video, Avax had an exchanging volume of $994,973 $109. Torrential slide has increased 44,574% in the beyond 30 days. As per our examination temporarily, Avalanche cost expectation for October 2022 shows the typical cost of Avax at $31,312, and the most elevated conceivable cost for October 2022 would be $33,504. Further, as per our examination in the long haul, Avalanche cost expectation for February 2023 shows the typical cost of Avax at $101,935, and the most elevated conceivable cost for February 2023 would be $109,071. Torrential slide cost expectation 12 August 2022. Avalanche's cost for 12 August 2022 as indicated by our investigation ought to go between $26,287 to $30,244 and the typical cost of Avax ought to be around $28,265. Torrential slide cost expectation 17 August 2022. Avalanche's cost for 17 August 2022 as per our examination ought to go between $26,747 to $30,773 and the typical cost of Avax ought to be around $28.76. Torrential slide cost expectation 22 August 2022. Avalanche's cost for 22 August 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to run between $26,996 to $31,061 and the typical cost of Avax ought to be around $29,029. Torrential slide cost expectation 1 September 2022. Avalanche's cost for 1 September 2022 as per our examination ought to run between $27,234 to $31,334 and the typical cost of Avax ought to be around $29,284. Torrential slide cost expectation October 2022. Avalanche's cost for October 2022 as indicated by our examination ought to go between $29.12 to $33,504 and the typical cost of Avax ought to be around $31,312. Torrential slide cost expectation November 2022. Avalanche's cost for November 2022 as per our investigation ought to go between $30,943 to $35,601 and the typical cost of Avax ought to be around $33,272. Torrential slide cost expectation December 2022. Avalanche's cost for December 2022 as per our examination ought to go between $32,765 to $37,698 and the typical cost of Avax ought to be around $35,231. Torrential slides long-term price prediction. Torrential slides drawn-out price prediction beneath is a glance at Avax's future possibility concerning cost. Torrential slide was most recently seen at $28.96 with a market cap of $8.250 when 202,844 and exchanging volumes of $994.973 when 109. Avax's value expectation is conceivable by examining verifiable cost activity, current turns of events and social opinion from the local area. Torrential slide cost